Hey guys, Robert Farrell here. Hey, I just found out actually some encouraging news. I developed this complete turnkey system to monetize Zoom for webinars, for live events. But I am actually laughing my butt off that people would actually pay $149 for one host and $549 for limited to 100 participants in a webinar on Zoom. My system that I basically built less than a week ago still uses the Zoom platform, but have a front-end monetization system. It's completely turnkey. You'll be absolutely amazed. The only thing I ask you to do for more information, click the link below this video, go to my chatbot, watch my step-by-step videos. Now, I don't need your email. I'm not going to spam you or scam you into some waste of time 90-minute webinar myself. I don't do webinars. And I've been in the online trenches for 25 years. I started teaching software, marketable skills here in New York City in 1989, 1990. So if there's a better way to do things, I come up with solutions. So I came up with the solution of A, how you can monetize a live event and not be limited to 100 people. Basically be limited to whatever your free membership on Zoom supports. And if you do want to do a monthly membership on Zoom, you don't have to pay extra to get a monetized webinar. You could still do your webinar the way you did before for free, and then my system will enable you to not only monetize it unlimited, you keep all the proceeds, but you can also set up different subscription plans. So you could basically say, hey, I have a live event in the next three. You want to basically be in the next three events, you'll get a discount. My software also enables you to, which is really exciting. Again, click the link below, go to my website, go check out the rest of my videos, go check out the rest of my videos on this platform, on the YouTube channel as well. So I was absolutely delighted. Actually, I was like laughing my ass off that people are actually going to spend $549 to do one webinar on Zoom limited to 100 people. That's cuckoo crazy if you ask me. Anyway, so get in touch with me. I'm here to help you every step of the way. Work smart. I'm all about working smart. Now, the reason you're not seeing my face right now, quite frankly, I haven't showered today. I just saw this and I thought it was really exciting to share the news. I'm laying in my bed watching Entertainment Tonight across from Central Park. So if you have any questions or check out my site, and I'm here to help you every step of the way. But nothing happens if you choose to do nothing. Now, if you do want to see my cheery face, go to my Facebook page, which is simply facebook.com/Robert Farrell NYC. And you'll see what I'm about. You'll see what I do. You'll see who I am. And actually go to my Facebook page, and I'll put a link to that as well. My Facebook, I basically designed a new Facebook page for this event thing that I'm doing with this monetization of Zoom called Couch Concerts Live. So it's facebook.com/couchconcerts.live. And I will put that in my link at the bottom. Thanks again for being here. Stay home, stay safe, stay positive. And remember, nothing happens when you choose to do nothing. Carpe Diem 2020. Have a good day.